Oh my God, this is how you have to monkey fuck the football?
You know. Well, especially front wheel drives, you know what I mean? Okay.
Hey, Burnsy.
Yep.
I'm on my knees for you.
Oh, baby. Wait.
Don't tell your old lady.
Oh, too late. Sherry knows.
She'll get jealous.
All right, text her.
I'm not mouthifying.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Oh, yeah?
Make it a little bit shorter anyways.
You like it shorter anyway. You don't have enough room in there. Glot, 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 glot. What?
Sure it's 5? Okay, that one's loose. That one back there, that one. Got that one out.
Yeah,
just that last one, right?
up top. Yeah.
Okay.
Plenty up top. That's your stripper name.
Oh.
Ooh, this is a good shoulder cam.
Come on, get on the boat.
Get it on, bitch.
I hate fucking flexies, dude. Sorry, potty mouth.
Poopy potty mouth. Poo poo.
Okay, get on there.
Get it on.
Are we on?
Are we? What if we go? Can we get it from the top? Oh fuck no.
So I have an idea.
You have an idea?
I have an idea. I just
Terrifying.
I thought that was gonna go a lot easier like the other ones.
Last one. Fun.
Oh yeah.
Then that'll go in the... We'll put that in the juice and clean it. Because that thing's yucky. What are you getting, sir?
You know.
You know?
You know.
You know?
You know Bruno?
Bruno?
Okay.
Bruno.
Just in case.
Just in case?
Worst case scenario. Sorry, Scotty.
Yeah! He's going to be like, damn it. That was Ewa.
That's funny.
Ewa!
That's hilarious.
It's not funny. I should have just sent one back to fuck with him.
He would have been like, well, that's a small subject.
Shut up. All right.
Can I get in there?
No.
Please?
Maybe.
Thank you.
I called the magic words.
Oh, no. Come on, fucker. It's just too dead short.
So put that on a regular rache and try it. Ding, the fries are done.
Ding, fries are done. Ding, fries are done. Damn, hands work.
Work, hands.
Of course, it doesn't help that.
Oh, what the hell? This is quality footage right here. Did you get it on?
I'm over at Duck. Over fucking Duck.
Are you getting angry? Ow! Are you getting angry?
I'm getting a little pissy.
Are you annoyed yet?
Been annoyed.
Am I annoying you?
Not you.
Is this annoying you? How annoyed are you? Are you annoyed yet? Are you annoyed yet? Are you annoyed yet? Are you annoyed yet?
Don't you know I was married for 12 years, bro?
Yeah, and I know her, so yeah, she's pretty annoying.
Oh, damn.
Shots fired. You got the bolt. Then drop the soap. Did you get it?
I hope so.
Get the light. Man, if that light fell in the bucket of oil, that would have been funny. Yep.
Can he reach in there, boys?
I can, but I can't turn it.
No?
Nope.
Okay.
So you're going to have to gently get it. Oh, fuck. Come on, man. This guy's not here to yell. That's for being part of it. You dropped the soda in. You gonna hit that with gently with a dead blow, bang bang?
Where is mine?
I just saw it the other day. It's
I know.
right there. I'm looking right at it, next to mine.
Why is it all the way over there? Why?
Because we were beating stuff off with it.
Well, you know what? I can't wait to get my new toolbox.
To beat me?
Because I'm locking it up every day.
Not if any of my stuff's in it.
Bet. Bet.
Because I always let you use my stuff. I let you stash some of my stuff in your box. You like stuff in your box.
Doesn't take much.
Yeah, you're easy like that.
Dang.
Ooh, Mr. Miyagi wax off. Oh, God.
Anyway.
Fun fact, that's also the oil pump, by the way.
Is it really? Mm-hmm. So.
Wiggle, 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 wiggle.
Oh, that's why. Get off there. There we go. That might help.
Ooh! Ooh, it's the poo! It's got the poo on me! It's the poo! Hey, I'll give you $20 to lick that.
Got cash?
You change for 50?
Oh.
Oh, why
But I'll do it for 50.
I'm not giving you 50. You were going to do it for 20, you whore. Yeah, $20 is $20.
So it's 50.
Woo! Woo! Woo!
What? Yes.
Anyway. All right. So this is very fun. There it goes. Scored a basket.
Yeah, this is game. That's cool. That is cool.
I see.
Look at that.
That's the oil pump too.
That's bad.
The oil pump. All right, so that's out of the way. Huh, now the idler arm comes right off. What a pain in the ass. Like, that's ridiculous. Woo! Is that ridiculous?
That's ridiculous.
Redonkulous. Redonk.
There's the.
Oh, we get to clean all that gasket surface. That's going to be really cute. Then once you get that off, then you get to come over here and do this side. That's not going to be fun. Oh, hey, look. Idler arm's out. Yay! It's your birthday. Woo! Fun. Okay, that frustration's over.
Nap time.
Nope, now I got to go do the other side. Ba ba ba.